Instagram's message requests feature is designed to filter messages from people you don't follow. To access these requests, open Instagram and tap the DM icon, Paper Airplane, in the top right corner. Then look for and tap the Requests section at the top of your inbox. Here, you'll see messages from accounts outside your network. Instagram uses AI to filter these requests, categorizing them as potential spam, harassment, or inappropriate content. You can also filter requests based on keywords, sender history, or content type to manage them more efficiently. Instagram's AI filtering reduces visible requests by up to 30%. Once you've accessed your message requests, you have several options for managing them. You can approve a request, which moves the message to your main inbox and allows you to continue the conversation. Alternatively, you can decline a request, which deletes the message and notifies the sender. Finally, you can block the sender, preventing them from sending you future messages. Instagram also provides settings under privacy messages that allow you to restrict who can send you requests in the first place. These options include everyone, people you follow, or off. Remember that Instagram's AI learns from user feedback, so reporting spam helps improve the filtering for everyone. Meta's AI filters have cut down on toxic interactions by 40% globally.